Ahoj, vítejte na mém kanále Czech by Zuzka. Hello, welcome to my channel Czech by Zuzka. Today's video is going to be a little different without the board for now, but don't worry, the board will be back next week. In today's lesson, I would like to teach you 4 different ways to ask how are you. You probably know how to say jak se máš, right? Jak se máš, how are you? Or jak se máte if you want to be formal. I'm going to tell you 4 more phrases that you can use in an informal situation. Also, keep in mind that in the Czech culture, we ask how are you and we really are interested in your answer. It's not like in English that it's a part of greeting. Hello, how are you? Good. How are you? Good. It's done. But in Czech, jak se máš? Dobře. Or, nic moc. Jde to. And then you can give more details about how you actually are. So this is an honest question. The most common one, as I mentioned, is jak se máš? Jak se máš? How are you? Jak se máte? How are you? Formal. But you could also ask colloquially, jak je? How is it going? Jak je could be something like what's up? Jak je? Čau, jak je? Another one is jak se ti vede? Jak se ti vede? How is it going for you? Jak se ti vede? You could still be very friendly and colloquial and you could say it formally. Jak se vám vede? Jak se vám vede? Another phrase. Jak se ti daří? Which is the same like the previous, but we change vede for daří. Jak se ti daří? How is it going for you? Jak se ti daří? Jak se vám daří? And the last phrase, the longest one. Co je u tebe nového? Co je u tebe nového? What's new with you? Are there any news? Co je u tebe nového? And again, if you can be friendly, colloquial with somebody, still treating them formally, you could say, co je u vás nového? It's also acceptable. Let's practice them together. Opakujte po mně. Jak je? Jak je? Jak se ti vede? Jak se ti vede? Jak se ti daří? Jak se ti daří? Co je u tebe nového? Co je u tebe nového? And we can practice the formal one too. Jak se vám vede? Jak se vám vede? Jak se vám daří? Jak se vám daří? Co je u vás nového? Co je u vás nového? The answer to this question would be the same as to jak se máš. You could say, jak se ti vede? Dobře. Or you would say, vede se mi dobře. You would be using that verb from the question. But dobře, špatně, nic moc are enough. And if somebody asks you, co je u tebe nového? You can say, nic moc, not much. You could say, všechno při starém. Same old, same old. Všechno při starém. Or you could say, mám novinky. I have news. Mám novinky. And at the end of this little video, I would like to tell you that starting today, I put all my 3 video courses on discount. You can purchase my courses with a 50% discount during these 5 days. The first course is for beginners and false beginners, and it's called A Fantastic Journey into the Czech Language and Culture. So káva. Káva is feminine, right? So polévka is feminine too. And losos. Losos is masculine. Co je to? To je káva. Yes. When you say to je káva, you are talking about a subject. You're saying that is coffee. But if you say I will have coffee, I is a new subject and coffee becomes the object of the sentence. It's no longer the main actor. Dám si kávu. A second one can also be for beginners, but if you have some basis, this will be more suitable for you. And it's called Explore the Art of Original Czech Conversing. Nedorozumění. Nedorozumění. It means misunderstanding. It's also long in English, right? So, omlouvám se za nedorozumění. I'm sorry for misunderstanding.
Ještě jednou se omlouvám za nedorozumění, paní Hofmanová.
Nic se neděje, to se stává.
When you pick up the phone, you say prosím, and you can add your name. We usually say tady je. Prosím, tady je Zuzka. And the third course is focused on practicing the colloquial language, just like in this mini video lesson. And it's called When Czech Stories Are Never Better. And we'll be looking at 15 fun little stories that happened in Prague and analyzing the language. V půlnoční tramvaji. Hej kámo, to je hustý kufr, co to je?
Hej kámo, to je hustý kufr. Hey bro, kámo is like bro or buddy. To je hustý kufr. That's a badass case.
Kámo is now a very popular expression among youngsters. Kámo means bro. Hustý. This is a slang. It means badass. It comes from the adjective hustý. Hustý literally means thick. You will find the links to the discounted price below the video, and you can also preview the courses. Thank you to all of you that registered for my courses, and if there are any newcomers, I'll be very excited to see you on Udemy platform. Mějte se krásně. Ahoj!